Fatar hawa tongplalai mani tiye shongai chamani gasno tiye wanamo bangsakha obo haijorao Hasteo petrol diesel tei LPG bebakno khatijak tongo hini shakha mantri Susanto Chaudhary Gurkha bostini Pragya bhawano kokchapthani okokno srai khlaika Fatar hawa tongplalai mani daratei hakotor ganangai LPG gasni tuyei wanama klailajak obo haijorao hasteni tongkhalokno tuyei srai khlaika haste haphang bebakno khatijak tongo tei bak tharibo naikol jakino tongo kahamke hinui shakha mantri Susanto Chaudhary Hasteo petrol diesel tei gas cylinder bebakno thiti tongmani kokno tuyei Gurkha bostini Pragya bhawano kokchapjakha srangsalo aro mantri Susanto Chaudhary khoboi tongbedikni kuchuk achuk thaini ojarok bo manjakha o salo Hasteo shok thani mungsa jangjal krei petrol diesel bebakno khatijak tongmani kok kebengnai bodolokni koksilchamungno kobonrwi rikha mantri Susanto Chaudhary.
The situation is quite normal here in our state. There is no shortage of petroleum products and LPG whatsoever. And we have convened this meeting of all the dealers from all nooks and corners of our state to take the stock actually what is happening. So we have come to the conclusion that there is no shortage of petroleum products and sufficient stock is there maintained by the dealers.
So you also told in the meeting that you got a call from the leader of opposition and he expressed concern over the black marketing of LPG cylinders. So on that front, what was the awareness that you
No.
message which you gave?
Whatever he stated, I think over television, that was for the well-being of the society and people. Okay, I'm not criticizing him. That was an apprehension. There might be black marketing in it. So we have taken the stock of the situation and we have strictly warned them that they should not practice all these things, this black marketing and all, do not given indulgence. And as per the consumer
LPG gas Hatio burung shok phaina chengkha fainai shalok khati thani bo mungsa jangjal anglak Hatio raidani fataro mungsa suk angyatei haphang nai chamung tongo hini shakha mantri Susanto Chaudhary.
Central government has focused on expediting the PNG, like pipe natural gas supply, laying of pipes and all that. So on that front, what will be the direction from the state government?
See, TNJCL is taking care of that, and a good number of area have been brought under the coverage of LPG, so pipe gas. So in the coming times also this will be expedited. This is
what is the position of stocks in LPG?
We have sufficient stocks, at least for 15 days, and more are in transit. There is no shortage of petroleum products and LPG whatsoever.
Fatar hawa jobani bagai shok jaknai gas tei salbrumni nangkukmani banaikhnoi bebakno raija chayatei baniya angyatei bebak Hasteo no khorai bongrijak mantri okra Narendra Modi o khorai mungrugei haste haphang naichamui tongo tabuk tongjorao hasteni tongko songlukurok ereng no kok awaya tongnani bagai khorai mungrikha haste haphang Bureau Report News Now.